வந்தா வா
எங்கே இருக்குது? ஆப்போசிட்லேயே. ஓகே ஓகே,
வா வா போயிடலாம் வா.
not so privileged to be like us. He's Mr. Kumar, who has started engineering with us, but went through a massive. And since I joined this stage, I have some access to those guys in this factory, and we have the best of the technology, and they can have a very good implant training for even 4 to 6 weeks. And a number of people, you don't have to worry, walking up to a number of people, and we will see that we will allow all these guys to get trained. So this is something which I can help, and I want to be here. I come from Delhi only to meet you guys, coming back tomorrow. Just to mention, please take this not just an evening or an opportunity to get together, exchange your cards, find out possibility to give back to the society. Thank you very much. Thanks for calling me.
Thank you so much, sir.
I'll just take 1 minute. I think I'm representing my batch. He was the first gold medalist from Crescent Engineering College. Unfortunately, this guy was a very brilliant guy. He passed out from Crescent. He went to do his masters in IIT. Then he went to do his PhD in superconductivity in IIT and went on to work with Kirloskar Electric. He passed away with brain cancer. Okay. So if you are putting up, please put up a note about Ganesan as a gold medalist in your college. It will at least serve his memory well, and it will make all entire batch very happy that at least he got the
Name is yet there in the roll of honor.
If it is
Name is
there,
yet there in the roll of honor.
thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Definitely we'll take your answer. Definitely. Thank you, sir. Next is about prayer time. Anybody want to go to prayer? The next person? Yeah. Next we are going to eagerly see that next after prayer. One Mr. Prem Kumar, scientist. Another Aparna Swaminathan, partner of Ilment Engineering Services. In meantime, we'll shortly come in back after 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you.
B. Prem Kumar Samuel, joined this college in the year of 1985, second batch of civil engineering. I am presently working in IGCAR, Indira Gandhi Center of Atomic Research, Kalpakkam, as a scientist in FRSU, Fast Reactor Fuel Cycle Facility, which is doing research work in reactors. And I am involved in construction work of doing constructing reactor work at Kalpakkam. And mainly that reactor work processes construction of reactors, and that reactor fuel is being processed and sent back again to the recycling facilities. That is the main process here. It is being done. Recycling. Now that work is mainly involved here, and data modeling work is also being done through me in this AutoCAD work in that AutoCAD Research Center at Kalpakkam. When during the course of study I did BE Civil, and now present due to research work also I finished my ME Structural Engineering at Satyabama Kalpakkam, Satyabama University, Chennai, and then based on the research work I am involved in structural engineering work also at Kalpakkam. Now I am presently involved in both structural work as well as civil work also at Kalpakkam. Now I am interested to donate some amount if any required in alumni, as also do some favorable help in Crescent Engineering College, as well as I call for guest lectures and give some guest lectures about some activities which are being involved in Kalpakkam reactor works. I am briefly involved in mainly reactor works and construction works facilities only. Mainly what are the coolant, what are the absorbents used in reactors, all those things. All the reactor facilities, what are the modern construction works used in reactors, all those things, research-oriented activities which involves reactor activities, all those things I will be involving in. So that if given a pleasure, I will be involving all those things. So I thank this opportunity for giving me this, for everybody, PRO, for enabling me to give an opportunity to talk before you. Thank you.
I say this is because Najum is a customer. Najum is not here, I'm looking out for her. But the people in the management invest in these things. That way I would say that the college gains a lot. Secondly, as far as my own inputs are concerned, I do not go around giving seminars, but my husband is an alumni of Anand University, and he does conduct seminars and training programs for students. I would probably coordinate with Najum and try and get something done for students who are, whom I should say are my co-students. So it's been a pleasure. Thank you. Thanks again, Ali Asgar, because he's honestly the pressure point for me. He's one of my good friends and he insists that I should always come. Thank you very much.
I think everybody said they can help the present batch. I didn't add anything to it. I'll just add another minute to it. After finishing engineering, I just worked for a couple of years as an engineer and then went on to do my MBA. And I've been in the IT industry for 20 years. So any input that you want in terms of understanding sales in IT, I can always come and help you guys. I can take classes for the management team. I don't know whether it's going to make any sense for the engineering batch. There are MBAs that is there as part of I keep referring Anna because I did my MBA there. Okay. Anything in terms of management, I'll be able to help. And not only that, I can bring my wife also along. She's a assistant vice president in TCS. She also happens to be a Crescent female. She happens to be my classmate. So both of us, she's also done her MBA and both of us are more management personnel in the IT field. So any help in terms of IT sales, marketing, both of us can come and take classes. Thank you.
Next, and I guess we'll call for a break. No break.
Shanawaz from the 97 batch.
I think you already heard her.
I don't think anyone was negative about it. When we joined, yes, we were blessed with our seniors who actually gave us a stepping stone from we were 93 to 97. We had buildings, we had actually the main block done, and when we finished, we had the MBA block done, and the first year physics lab also was done. Yeah. The canteen, the workshop shed, and I agree with the seniors, they should at least get one shed now, but if not, it's been a wonderful experience. And personally, I mean, I've been in the hostel and the day scholar, so I got best of both worlds saying. Definitely, I mean, the hostel, academics, yes, we have excelled, but you know, our hostel Friday biryani, even now no one can beat Friday biryani in the hostel. I mean, it is one of the best, and the fortnightly full chicken, that's only our hostel can give.
So, first of all, thanking the executive committee.